In this review, I'll tell you why I feel like this cube is the best budget cube of 2020. So, let's just start with some simple things. This is made by Mofang Jiaoshi, which is a sub-brand of the company Moyu, which makes a lot of speed cubes. This is a $9 budget cube, and it's honestly really good. Now, first off, it has magnets. Only a few cubes have magnets that are under $10. That's kind of the budget line for magnetic 3x3s. And so it's already going to be pretty good. The magnet strength is kind of moderate, but that's okay. Theoretically, they could be a little bit stronger, but where it is, I'm sure will be fine for lots of people, especially for people starting out, which is kind of what this is made for. Anyways, so this is already a really good cube. However, there is one reason why I think this is a really good budget cube, and that's because of this blue thing right here. Now, in this accessory box, you get a few things. You get a few pamphlets, including a 3x3 tutorial, which isn't as good as mine. But you also get some tools, like a screwdriver, because there's a screw. There's this thing, which basically, this blue thing here, this helps you move it up, like this. So here it's at the highest position, and it's at the highest position, which actually means that the springs are the tightest, because this blue part actually controls how far the springs move up and down. And when it's up the furthest, it's at sort of the tightest setting, and if it's at the lowest, then it is at the loosest setting, which is actually the one that I mainly use. And this is just an extra one in case if you take the cube apart and you lose one. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how quickly I can change all of these. There's 6 of them, because there's one on each side. So I'm going to see how quickly I can change all of these from the weakest to the strongest setting. I have a little timer here, and let's just see how fast I can do it. Future me will be giving some slight commentary while I do this part. And 3, 2, 1, go. What I am doing to the cube is I am changing it from the lowest spring setting to the highest spring setting. Alright, it blacked out there, but it ended at around 1 minute and 22 seconds. And that included taking off the center caps. So I feel like this is a really neat thing, especially since no other budget cube really has this. In fact, some budget cubes don't even have a screw on certain puzzles. But yeah, for most budget 3x3s, all you have is a screw, which just loosens and tightens this. However, this does things differently in comparison to the screw. And this gives you more customizable options for how you want your cube. So you don't have to play a huge guessing game on how you like your cube. So for example, like if you bought the Chi MS budget cube, you might not like the feel of it. When compared to this, you get a lot of customizable options. Now it's currently at the tightest setting, which is what I just changed it to. And it's still really good. The color shades, I actually like all of them. Even this blue and green, I don't like it as much as the others, but they're all still very nice and vibrant to each other. And the magnets, again, they click in very well. It's a very fast cube as well, and I feel like the moderate strength magnets are strong enough to where it will suffice for how fast this cube is. But I just feel like this is a really, really good budget puzzle. However, I do have some minor complaints. Now, these are all pretty much nitpicks that are very minor, but let's just begin. Starting off with the center caps, sometimes they come off pretty easily. However, other times, like, it's kind of hard to take them off. Like, if you were noticing when I was taking the center caps off at the very beginning, I was struggling with a few of them. Also, I think that the corner cutting is really good. Like, it can do 45 degrees very well. However, anything past that, it begins to struggle a lot. And the reverse corner cutting is actually pretty good. It either just doesn't work at all, or it works pretty smooth. Which I feel like is pretty nice. But I can't really think of too much else. Let's see if I can think of any other complaints I have. I can't really think of any other nitpicks. This is a great budget cube, and anybody who is looking for a budget cube to get, highly, highly, highly recommend this puzzle. It's only $9 on the Cubicle and Speed Cube shop. And also, if you feel like the magnets are kind of like weak for you, then at the Cubicle you can actually get extra magnets to kind of take apart the pieces and put the extra magnets that they gave you in there. I don't really feel like I need that, but if you want to get it, then go right ahead. It's only $1 more, so it's still technically $10. But that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this cube, let me know down in the comments. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!